building, and the energy curriculum was integrated in each grade level. This is our second year participating in the NEED grant. We chose the theme, Energy Conserved is Life Preserved, because we wanted to connect our energy units with real-life issues like the use of renewable energy to decrease our carbon footprint and our impact on the environment. Our 5th grade class focused on learning about the forms of energy. Groups researched and made presentations to teach their classmates about renewable and non-renewable resources. They explored solar energy by making solar cookers to enjoy s'mores.
The 6th grade class explored the advantages and disadvantages of energy sources. They made wanted posters for where they were wasting energy based on household survey. Also, together in groups, they designed a working windmill and completed the coal mining challenge.
Our 7th grade students researched environmental concerns from the overuse of non-renewable energy sources. They were also responsible for leading the Energy Carnival Games. They even added some of their own rules, props, and prizes. We had 4th through 6th grade attend our Energy Carnival, as well as staff and community members.
Our 8th grade students began their journey of learning about energy by putting into action what they learned about thermal energy's role in state changes. They created interactive projects demonstrating thermal energy to the 5th grade student body. Some projects included reading student-created picture books, performing cooking shows, and even dance routines to show energy changes of particles.
Using the NEED project kits and stations, 8th graders cycled through stations to observe forms of energy and generated questions that could be answered through experimental design. From there, preparation for the energy fair began.
Pecataco Community Middle School had a special visit, an energy audit, which was arranged by the NEED project. A select few of the 8th graders were led around with energy measurement tools to determine how energy efficient Pecataco Middle School was. We did very well overall, but we learned about a few energy hauls and some tips on how to conserve energy. These students shared what they learned about the tools, results, and tips on posters that were displayed at the energy fair.
A group of 8th grade students called the Green Team led a charge for our fair and carnival. They started with planning a week-long celebration leading to our energy fair and carnival. This included dress-up days of Go Solar, wear bright colors, or Hawaiian shirts that save energy, wear pajamas and power down, wear all black. They also generated a Rock the Sound Waves competition between our principal and math teacher. We used the help of the high school students and the staff to build a giant-sized mass balance, which was used to collect coins and determine which teacher dressed as a rock star. They really rocked the sound waves in the hallways of our school.
Our 8th grade Energy Fair committee also kicked off the celebration by performing an on-stage skit called Harry Spotter in the Chamber of the Windy Mist for the student body and staff. Even our principal had a part in this skit. Everyone enjoyed the show and learned that wind is moving air and energy is there.
After learning about forms of energy, groups of 8th grade students selected a source of energy to research, develop a testable question, and use the experimental design process to seek the answer to. The 8th grade built models to gather and analyze the data throughout multiple trials. To learn how the scientific process requires continuous analysis, improvement, and perseverance to find the answers to questions in science. My group made a wheel using inertia to attempt to build an electric generator using perpetual motion. This innovative and imaginative idea began with a simple question: how can we make energy from gravity?
Other groups built models to investigate the most efficient design for solar distillation, producing electricity from a wind turbine, and for launching an object the farthest using elastic potential energy. Students realized how the investigations they do today may be used as a solution to energy conservation and efficiency in the future. In conclusion, we were able to share our knowledge on energy sources and conservation with over 250 students, staff, and community members at our Energy Fair and Carnival. Thank you to the NEED program and students sponsors for providing this opportunity to our school and community. We now have a better understanding of the importance of thinking globally and acting locally.
Energy conserved is life preserved.
Lastly, the Christmas and April group would like to share a catchy tune with you highlighting their experiment.